Greetings everyone, this is Paul Richards of Elliott Wave Source, your number one source for Elliott Wave technical analysis. Today is Tuesday, June 25th, and I'd like to focus on dollar franc, dollar CAD, and pound dollar today. The first pair up is dollar franc. We'll do a quick recap of price action from the previous weeks, and then we'll forecast where we believe prices may go next. After a 5-wave impulse to the upside, momentum shifted at 0.9837 and prices fell sharply afterwards towards an earlier projected area of 0.92, significance here being the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement zone of the major upside swing of prices from 0.9020 to 0.9837. That target was met within a 5-wave impulse downwards within an extended C wave. Wave 5 completed here at 0.9129, and as mentioned last week, we still do hold a bullish bias moving forward. Our first target was met, which was 23.6 at 0.92966. At this time, our attention has shifted a bit, and we are expecting to push a little higher towards the 50% Fibonacci retracement zone at 0.94836. We'll definitely be interested to see how dollar franc develops moving forward. The next pair I'd like to cover is pound dollar. This is the daily time frame, and as we mentioned last week, the 61.8% Fibonacci level was seen as a turning point for pound dollar. Prices fell sharply at 1.5745. This level marked the completion of our wave 4 and the beginning of our wave 5. At this point, we do hold a bearish sentiment moving forward, as we do expect wave 5 to complete beyond the 1.48 area. The last pair I'd like to cover today is dollar CAD. We had a clear bounce off the 61.8% Fibonacci level of the previous upside swing from 1.0015 to 1.0240. Prices consolidated a bit before we got the clear bounce, but patience is a virtue, and this is exactly what we're waiting for, like a major bounce upwards. At this point, the RSI is oversold. So we are expecting a correction in the previous gains for the short term, but that doesn't change our bias, as we still expect prices to rise a bit higher. We are assuming maybe trendline support at this point, but in the meantime, do tread carefully with dollar CAD, and we'll update it as patterns become more apparent. Well, thank you for watching this video on dollar franc, dollar CAD, and pound dollar. Keep up to date with these pairs and many others at ElliottWaveSource.com. Feel free to contact us at info@ElliottWaveSource. To our members, you can chat with both Marcel and I in the chat room, and if you're not a member yet, please follow us on Twitter at eWaveSource. Safe trading this week and the next. Goodbye.